Good afternoon, my name is Jordan Lambert, Market Analyst at Gelatama Management. Another quiet and range-bound period is expected today as the market waits for Bernanke's comments in an FOMC press conference on Wednesday, scheduled for 7 PM GMT. Taking into account the mixed bag of data and the unspectacular non-farm payrolls for May, Bernanke is likely just to reiterate that stimulus reduction will be data dependent. Again, very similar to what he has been saying so far this year. Therefore, gold could be stuck in the range of 1375 to 1390 for some time to come. There could be some volatility if the US housing data tonight shows continued signs of improvement in new builds, which could cause a spike in equities and suppress gold. However, it does feel like gold needs a significant shift in the fundamental outlook for the bears to gain control over the bulls. Taking a look at the charts, pretty much the same as what I have been saying over the last few days is sell at resistance and buy at support levels, and these levels can be displayed by shooting stars and hammers, or whenever a certain price level has been touched 2 or more times, as this is probably the best way to capture a few dollars before the next big move. I'm also looking at the 1 hour chart at the moment. This 1 hour chart is showing a bullish trend line, like so, and we've had almost 2, 3, 4, 5, about 4 or 5 touches of this bullish trend line, and the last touch was quite recent, so look for a bounce or a breakthrough there to capture a few dollars. And we also have a short-term resistance line that has been created today around 85 there. So far today we've had 1, 2, 3, we've had 3 touches of this level so far today, so again look for a bounce or a break there. Taking a longer term view, we could look at the weekly chart, and I think these two shooting stars side by side are still rather important. Let me just delete that line. So these two shooting stars, yes, it didn't yield a bearish move last week, this was last week, but bear in mind that these shooting stars here have longer shadows than last week's bullish hammer, and sometimes candlesticks effects can be delayed. So I believe the bears still have the upper hand, taking a technical perspective, but it pretty much will be influenced by the outcome of the FOMC press conference tomorrow. The economic data that is scheduled today, we have Draghi, the ECB president, speaking at 7 AM GMT, and at 10 AM GMT we have the German zoo survey, and tonight we have US housing data and inflation data. So trade it accordingly around there. Thank you very much for listening to me, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. We have a fantastic promotion for new accounts at the moment. If you are interested, check out the details either on the Facebook page of Gelatama or LinkedIn. Alternatively, you can visit the website of Gelatama Management. The required links are below this video. Speak to you soon.